Okay, today we are going to start a new configuration, which is general ledger accounting, business transactions, document splitting. What is document splitting? Splitting. And splitting. Purchase of stocks, 10,000 from vendor, 10,000. This is general entry. But what about what profit center marketing? Profit center sales, profit center customer service. Each profit center uses the stocks. So how to divide division. Plus, we have input taxes, withholding taxes. How to divide these between. For this, we do document splitting based on segment, profit center, and this area. For this, we divide ELs with category like assets, liabilities, taxes, vendors, and we divide into under profit center categories with default profit center. Also, so between profit centers, stocks or expenses of any purchase goes to profit center, and instead of 10,000, it is like 3,000 plus vendor credit. 3,000 WHT, sales tax, all booked with respect to profit center. Profit center one, two, one or two or three. So more entries are generated. That is document splitting. Classify GL accounts. 8842. I will copy all this. Control Y, and select all. Control C. Flash O, SPRO. Page down. 8220. Control Y. Control C. Classify GL. 8846. New entries. Oh, Control C, Control Y, enter. Control C, Control Y, enter. Page up. Special GL, customer special GL will have override. Now, what is override? Override is simple, but advance to vendor 3,000 cash. Stocks supplied by vendor 10,000 to vendor. Vendor invoice clearing 10,000. Advance to vendor 3,000 dash 7,000. This is special GL. This is special GL treated as separately from finance entries. Special GL is made to handle advances and it is kept separate from mainstream vendor module, AP module. Why? Because advances are maintained separately and at the time of clearing, this is activated. Okay. Save.
Yes, sir.
Save. Okay. Item category. Double A for 6. Okay. OBD. OBD4 is for chart of accounts. Double A 6. Zero balance accounts. 80250. Classify document types. I will come back later on this. Define zero balance clearing account. Zero balance is used for what? Zero balance is used to knock off taxes, WHT amounts, because taxes are not round figures. Okay. And so are these, no round figures. So some taxes will be like 26.33. Withholding tax will be 2.81 for one profit center. Second profit center will have sales tax for like 301.73. Withholding will be like 44.39. So these are not round numbers. So to distribute all this between profit centers, zero balance is created account. So it has to bring all the amounts in decimals to 00 and distribute it. Accounts, double click, double A46 is our chart of accounts, new entries, 80250. save, save. Simple as that. This is the process. Oh, zero balance clearing, primary posting, 8846, new entries, same account, save, save. Zero balance for cash pooling, accounts. You can keep separate, but we'll keep it same right now. Save. Documents for general ledger accounting. Okay, zero balance for all. If you are splitting for profit center, segment, and business area, as I told you, it is done on the basis of three parts. Why? Because segment is business. Profit center is a business vertical which is generating profit. Business area is also like segment, is not used. So you want to show how much consumption of stocks or expenses or stationery or anything is done at every profit center. Don't check this. This is a mistake. Check this. So for controlling will be cost center, cost center, cost object. Cost object can be anything like production order, process order, discount to assets, activate. I'm not going into details right now. Achha. This is done. Document splitting. Is one thing. Zero balance, specified level of detail, organization structure. Yes. Profit center accounting assignment monitor. Document splitting. Execution phase. Post processing. Activate document splitting. Document splitting is active with method one, which is used on vendor and taxes and customer. Constant. Profit center. Assign profit center to accounts. Company code 8846. No. Assign profit center to account 8842. Control Y. Copy. So accounts, if you want to distribute between different profit centers, you will distribute the accounts. Some will be for central profit center, some will be for south, some will be for north. So this is how distribute. Some accounts like taxes, withholding taxes will be responsibility of central office. Expenses at north will be covered here. Expenses at south covered here. And things like that. Taxes will be covered by central. These are profit center names. So we don't have profit centers, we'll make profit centers. Assignment of account assignment. So this will actually assign profit center to accounts, and we can 8846 inventories enter, but we don't have this profit centers. We'll make this in next class.